Hey everybody, welcome back to Rundell Designs, and if it's your first time here, hello, I'm so glad you found me. So Rundell Designs is all about DIY art and craft projects, but I'm also doing quite a few videos on how to grow your creative business or how to start your creative business, so there's a few little business tips in there as well. Today's video is all about income streams. So I've had quite a few people ask me recently, how do I make money out of an art business? Is it just original art? Is it cards? Is it a mix? So I thought I'd go through that today with you to give you some ideas how you could grow the income from your art business or handmade business so that you can eventually do it full time and make a really good income to support yourself and your family. So let's go. Okay, so firstly, I'll just go through the different income streams I have in my business. So I've got my art, my original art. Some of the other products I sell are art prints. Now, for years, I had just sold prints. I would print them myself on my printer. It was a fairly good quality printer, but definitely not like archival quality. So I would sell them fairly cheap, about $15 for A4s and $30 for A3. I'm moving away from that now, and in the future, I will be introducing limited edition prints when I release new collections of original arts, and those limited edition prints will be signed and numbered of maybe 100 or 50 or 25, or I'm not quite sure yet because I'm probably going to launch that side of my business next year, and I need to work out whether I'm going to order all the prints at once and get them printed, or if I might, my local printer does print on demand and they post directly from there and I just have to sign and number it. So that's an option for that. The other product I sell is greeting cards. So my artworks I either photograph or digitally scan, or if a lot of the time I'm making my artwork in Illustrator or Procreate, so it's easy to turn it into a card. They're really good little turnover. I sell my cards both retail and wholesale. Of course, my organic wheat bags and my eye pillows, where I get the fabric printed here in Melbourne and then I hand make the products myself. My most popular product, and have been for several years. I am slowly moving away from that being my main seller because I actually don't like spending my days sewing, and I'm too much of a control freak to outsource the sewing, okay? I just want my art, my originals and my prints to take over as my main income source. I also have printables. So that is artwork that I've specifically designed just to sell the digital file. So that way it's cheaper for customers to buy. I sell them roughly around $9.50. I don't put all of my original artwork available as a digital download because I feel like it can take that specialness away from the art. So when I'm designing a new, either a typography print with an inspirational quote or some other drawing or design that I'm not going to really focus on selling as an original piece, I'll often decide to pop that into my printables range. I sell my printables on my website, Rundell Designs. I've got an app within the Shopify store that allows me to upload the file, and I also have an Etsy shop dedicated to just printable downloadable art, so that is Rundell Printables. I have another shop, Rundell Designs, in Etsy, but I'm sort of not focused on that. So that category of income is great because it is basically passive income. So with my printables, once I've created the design and uploaded it to either my website or Etsy or both, that's it. That's all I need to do. Every time I sell that product, customer automatically gets access to that file so they can download it. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to contact them. You don't have to do anything, unless obviously they have issues downloading it. That, doesn't happen very often. The other income stream I have is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is where you recommend a product or a service and you send people link that product or service. If they then buy that product or service through your link, if you've set up as an affiliate, then you get a commission off that sale. So I had all these intentions of setting up like Amazon and promoting products and using a lot of art supplies from there. It was just a pain. I probably will do it down the track maybe, but I get a little bit of affiliate commission, not a lot at this stage because it's not a big focus for me at this point, but from course creators. If I've done a course and I love it and I found it really helpful and they have an affiliate program, I will sign up to that. So at the moment, I probably get between $50 and $150 a month just from the couple of affiliate programs that I promote. And that is great because again, that's passive income. I'm sharing products and services that I genuinely love, that I would share regardless whether I was getting a little bit of a commission from it or not. So that to me is totally fine. I don't like affiliate marketing when people just are looking at anything to promote to get money back. I just think that's a bit creepy. But I personally just will only promote products that I've used, that I've loved, and that I'm happy for other people to use. And I also have set up an affiliate program on my website for my printable, downloadable art and my greeting cards. So if you're interested in becoming an affiliate for me, jump on my website, rondeldesigns.com. I'll put a link for the affiliate program below, and I would love you to sign up for that. And then I send you out 25% commission on any sales you make for me in those categories. I have wholesale as an income stream. So that is where I'm selling my physical products at a cheaper price to shops around Australia, and then they on sell directly to their customers. I currently have over 30 stockists at the moment. I do workshops. They are for both adults and children. I do school holiday workshops for kids. I can do birthday party or just celebratory parties for kids and adults. I've just introduced the sip and paint style of painting birthday parties or hands parties for adults, and obviously I haven't been able to do them yet because of COVID. COVID. Moving forward, I'm excited to be doing. I don't want to do a lot of workshops because they are quite time consuming and I find them quite draining, although I love them when I'm running them. So exciting. But I also love doing them just a little bit, and they're quite a good money maker. So workshops are a great way to make some money. I have a studio because I run a co-working space, so I can run them from there. But before I had my studio, I used to go to people's houses and run kids' birthday parties. So I'd take trestle tables, or they'd have tables already. You don't have to have a commercial space to be able to run workshops. Freelance work. So I don't do a lot of freelance work. I find it really mentally challenging to do freelance work. It's like my little rebellious brain. I'm fine to do work for myself, but as soon as someone wants me to design something specific for them, my brain just like, eh. So I don't do it a lot. I do it occasionally, and especially if someone's contacted me, usually through Instagram or something, and they really like my style of art and they want something similar to what I've already done but specific for their brand, then I will consider it. Other than that, the other freelance work I've started doing is sort of mural work. So this year with my local council, I got the opportunity to do a whole series of chalk art on the footpaths, and it was based on quotes that a local writers club had created in 2020 during COVID, and I got paid quite a lovely sum of money by our local council to go out and turn those little quotes into chalk art on the footpath for the community to enjoy. So moving forward for me, freelance work, that honestly will mostly look like murals. I will want to start doing murals both privately and for business and for council. I really am super keen to get going on that. That has been a good little income earner for this last financial year, and I'm hoping to grow that this financial year. Now, moving forward into 2022, I do have a couple of other things that I want to add to my income streams, my art business, and that is obviously Google ads. So through YouTube, I would love to get monetized on YouTube by the end of this year. And I also am going to start putting a bit more effort into my blogs on my website and turn Google ads on there as well. So again, I'm not going to rely on that money as a main income source, but it is good just to as an additional income. So as you can see, I've got quite a few things going on at once, which I like. I love that. You don't have to do it that way. Some people might prefer just to really focus in on their original art, and that's totally fine. If you're doing that, you just have to have a plan of how to promote your business, get it out there on the socials, get it out there and do some events, enter art shows, have exhibitions. You know, there's so many ways to do it, but for me, I like to have a multiple income stream. Another thing I'm looking at doing is also writing a children's book and self-publishing it and popping it on Amazon Direct Publishing, the Kindle Direct Publishing. There's so many different things that I've got planned for the coming months just to increase that, because I feel like when you've got a few different income streams happening, if one has a little bit of a dive, then the other one can sort of take up that slack, which is great. So I hope you found this video useful in some way for your business. Remember, don't be scared to start your business if you haven't already. If you can keep it as a side hustle for as long as you need to. This is the 7th year of this business, and 2021 is the first year that I've run it full time. And obviously, you know, we've had COVID and all sorts of crazy things happening. I have had a little bit of help with some government grants, thank goodness, thank you. But, you know, up to this year, I actually was working part-time the whole time. At one point, I was helping in a school canteen. I worked in a cafe part-time. Last year, even though I was supposed to go full-time last year in my business, I got panicked once COVID hit and all of my in-person events got cancelled. So I went and did some house cleaning for 3 months with a lovely colleague lady who runs a local company, and that just took the pressure off a little bit. So don't worry if you are working part-time in another business, or even full-time if you need that income. You can gradually build your business up over time, and it could be years. It doesn't have to be like instant gratification. I think a lot of people see all these businesses online now on social media, especially TikTok, and these businesses are just like booming straight away. It doesn't happen like that normally. It's, you know, it's not normally an instant overnight success. If it is, fantastic, and getting on TikTok and Instagram and all those places with video is an amazing way to help grow your brand awareness much quicker than ever before. So do that too if you want to, but don't freak out and panic if you don't like become huge overnight. There's so many different things you can do, and use your time wisely, grow your business authentically and slowly, and you'll be fine. So let me know if you've got any questions at all. Comment below. I've got several links below to all different places. If you found this video helpful, you might also like my online course that I used to charge for, that now give as a YouTube playlist set of 9 videos under how to turn your hobby into a business in 30 days. And that series is called How to Turn Your Hobby into a Business in 30 Days. So that one might be of interest to you. And we take you through quite a few individual little steps of the process you have to go through. So if you like the video, thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, because I've got lots more interesting videos coming up, and we're especially getting back to doing some creative art and craft videos soon too. So have a great day, and thanks for watching. And remember, get creative today.